Hello, Shemai, and welcome back to a spooky edition of Welsh Wednesdays. With Halloween coming up, did you know that Wales has some seriously spooky traditions and folklore? The Welsh for Halloween is Calan Gaeaf, which literally means the first day of winter. It marked the end of harvest and a time to bid farewell to the farm workers, that's the living and the dead. Here are my top 3 spooky Welsh Halloween traditions. Number 1, a stump naw rhyw, the 9-root stew. Those who are celebrating the Calan Gaeaf festival would create a stew made of 9 root vegetables, all mashed together with butter, milk and salt. They would hide a ring in the mash, and whoever found the ring, they would be married within the next year. Number 2, casting stones into the fire to tell the future. Everyone would carve their names into a stone and toss it into the coelcerth, the bonfire. If, when the fire has died down, your stone is missing, that's bad luck. Folklore would dictate that you would not survive the year. And at number 3, possibly the most spooky and my personal favourite, yr hwch ddu, the Black Sow. One of the spirits from a slaughtered sow would rise from the flames and chase the children. There was even a spooky rhyme. Adref, adref, am y cyntaf, hwch ddi gwta a gipio'r olaf, which means home, home at once, or the Black Sow will catch the last one. So it turns out that the Welsh can be pretty spooky when it comes to Halloween. Not quite trick or treat, is it? Don't have nightmares. No star.